Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the realm of civil engineering materials, specifically focusing on asphalt mixture. Today in this class, we will learn about the classification and the structure of asphalt mixture. First, let's take a look at what asphalt mixture is. Asphalt mixture is a uniform mixture composed of mineral mixture composed of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and mineral filler through artificially selected grading mixed with asphalt. Among them, mineral mixtures play a skeleton role, while asphalt and mineral filler play a bonding and filling role. According to the construction technology of modern asphalt pavement, asphalt and different mineral aggregates can be constructed into asphalt pavement with different structures. The materials composed of asphalt mixture mainly include asphalt, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and filler. Among them, asphalt materials mainly include petroleum asphalt, modified asphalt, etc. Coarse aggregate refers to crushed stones with various particle sizes greater than 2.36 mm. Fine aggregate refers to materials such as crushed stone dust, crushed sand, and natural sand with a particle size less than 2.36 mm. Filler mainly refers to mineral filler. Next, let's take a look at the characteristics of asphalt mixtures. Asphalt mixture is a viscoelastic material with good mechanical and road performance. The paved road surface is smooth and seamless, with low vibration, low noise, and comfortable driving. Moreover, mechanized construction of asphalt mixtures is beneficial for quality control, phased construction, maintenance, and recycling. However, asphalt mixtures also have certain drawbacks, such as easy aging, insufficient high temperature stability, and low temperature crack resistance. Let's take a look at the classification of asphalt mixtures. Asphalt mixture can be divided into petroleum asphalt mixture, coal asphalt mixture, emulsified asphalt mixture, and modified asphalt mixture according to different binders. Asphalt mixture can be divided into hot mixed hot lead asphalt mixture and normal temperature asphalt mixture according to different construction temperatures. Hot mixed hot lead asphalt mixture refers to a mixture that is heated and mixed in specialized equipment, transported to the construction site, and then spread and compacted in a hot state. Normal temperature asphalt mixture refers to the asphalt mixture that is mixed and laid at a normal temperature. Asphalt mixture can be divided into continuous graded asphalt mixtures and gap graded asphalt mixtures according to the different types of mineral aggregate gradation. Continuous graded asphalt mixture, the particles of the mineral aggregate are continuously distributed from large to small, and each grade occupies an appropriate proportion. Gap-graded asphalt mixture is an asphalt mixture formed by the lack of one or several grades or a small amount in the composition of mineral aggregate gradation. Asphalt mixtures can be divided into dense graded asphalt mixtures, open graded asphalt mixtures, and semi-open graded asphalt mixtures based on their density. Dense grade asphalt mixture, designed based on the principle of dense grading, is composed of mineral materials with various particle sizes, mixed with asphalt binder, and designed with a small porosity. Open graded asphalt mixture, the mineral aggregate gradation, is mainly composed of coarse aggregate embedded and squeezed, with less fine aggregate and filler, and a mixture with a designed porosity of 18%. Semi-open graded asphalt crushed stone mixture is composed of appropriate proportions of coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and a small amount of filler or no filler mixed with asphalt binder with a porosity of 6% to 12%. Asphalt mixtures are classified according to their nominal maximum particle size and can be divided into extra coarse-grained asphalt mixtures, coarse-grained asphalt mixtures, medium-grained asphalt mixtures, fine-grained asphalt mixtures, and sign-type asphalt mixtures. Extra coarse asphalt mixture refers to asphalt mixture with a nominal maximum particle size equal to or greater than 31.5 millimeters. Coarse-grained asphalt mixture refers to an asphalt mixture with a nominal maximum particle size of 26.5 millimeters. Medium-grained asphalt mixture refers to asphalt mixture with a nominal maximum particle size of 19 millimeters. Fine-grained asphalt mixture refers to asphalt mixture with a nominal maximum particle size of 9.5 millimeters or 13.2 millimeters. Sign-type asphalt mixture refers to asphalt mixture with a nominal maximum particle size less than 4.75 millimeters. The failure of asphalt mixtures in pavement structures mainly occurs at high temperatures due to insufficient shear strength or excessive plastic deformation, resulting in pushing and squeezing, as well as at low temperatures due to insufficient tensile strength or poor deformation ability, resulting in cracking. At present, the strength and stability theory of asphalt mixtures mainly requires that asphalt mixtures must have certain shear strength and deformation resistance at high temperatures. The strength of asphalt mixture consists of two parts, namely the compressive force and internal friction between the mineral materials and the cohesion between asphalt and mineral materials. Next, let's learn about the structure of asphalt mixtures. Asphalt mixtures is a composite material made by mixing asphalt coarse and fine aggregates and mineral powder in a certain proportion. According to the structural condition of the mineral skeleton, its composition and structure can be divided into three types: suspended dense structure, skeleton void structure, and skeleton dense structure. Suspended dense structure refers to a mixture structure in which mineral aggregates are continuously and densely graded from large to small groups, with a small amount of coarse aggregate in the mixture that cannot form a skeleton. There is a large amount of fine aggregate, and larger particles are squeezed apart by smaller particles. causing coarse aggregates to exist in a suspended state between fine aggregates. This type of asphalt mixture has a high cohesion and a small internal friction angle, resulting in poor high temperature stability. The asphalt mixture, designed according to the principle of continuous dense grading, is a typical suspension dense structure. The skeleton void structure refers to the large proportion of coarse aggregates in a mineral material with little or no fine aggregates. Coarse aggregates can interlock with each other to form a skeleton with strong embedding and squeezing ability. However, having too little fine aggregate makes it difficult to fill the large voids formed between coarse aggregates. This structure has a higher internal friction angle, but also a lower cohesion. Therefore, this type of asphalt mixture is less affected by changes in the properties of the asphalt material and therefore has good thermal stability. However, adhesion between asphalt and mineral aggregate is small. The air void is large and the durability is poor. As for the crushed stone mixture and OGFC, open graded friction cores are typical representatives of this structure. The skeleton dense structure has a large amount of coarse aggregate to form a spatial skeleton, while also having enough fine aggregate to fill the gaps in the skeleton. This type of asphalt mixture has high cohesion and internal friction angle, making it the most ideal structural type among asphalt mixtures. SMA stone matrix asphalt is a typical skeleton dense structure. The above is our explanation of the classification and structure of asphalt mixtures. In this class, that's the end of this lesson. See you next time.